Hello and welcome to this week's property launch update. My name's James Danbury and I'm from the Selby office, and today we're in Riccall. We're on Northfield Lane at Pinfold Cottage, and this beautiful character cottage is coming to the market and is going to be available to view for the first time on Saturday the 2nd of November. It's coming to the market for £375,000. Let's take a look. As you can see, there's a great sized private family garden to the front of the property with really mature planted borders. So Pinfold Cottage was originally built in 1840, and the current owners have put the property through a programme of modernisation over recent years, and it's absolutely stunning. So let's go and have a look around inside. So the first thing that strikes you when you enter the property is how the current owners, whilst they've been modernising the property, have got a real good mix of old and new that works really well. We're going to start in the kitchen, beautifully done. Custom made kitchen with granite work surfaces, all integrated appliances, and there's also a utility room and downstairs WC which leads off here. And it also leads through into the conservatory at the rear of the property. So we're going to have a look through there next. As you can see, it's a fabulous sized conservatory, beautifully presented, the glass roof. It'll be a great entertaining space in the summer months when you have family and friends round. And it opens up into this beautiful private rear garden. So the property has two main reception rooms. There's the living room and also a dining room through there. And there's also an additional office which is really useful. The living room, really nicely done, as you can see, solid oak flooring, beautiful oak beam above the inglenook fireplace and the log burning stove. It'll be really cosy in the winter months. So now here's the formal dining room. The oak flooring, as you can see, continues through into this room. Lovely light room, and there's also an office leading off here and a really handy storage cupboard. As you can see throughout the entire property, there's solid oak doors throughout, which is a really nice finishing touch. Okay, so on the first floor, there are three really good sized bedrooms. This is the master suite. As you can see, a really good double room. It's bathed in light with two Velux windows as well as the rear window as well. What you'll notice in this property in all of the bedrooms is loads of storage. So there's a really good sized built-in wardrobe here. And we'll take a look at the ensuite dressing area where there's more storage in there as well. Okay, so here's the master bedroom's ensuite dressing area. As you can see, it's massive. It's a lovely sized room. There are two storage areas which go into the eaves of the property. Room here for more wardrobes. There's a great sized double shower and a sink over here as well. Okay, so here's the second bedroom. As you can see, good sized double room, plenty of space for a double bed and wardrobes in this room. Again, nice finishing touches like the oak sill over there and also the solid oak doors which run throughout the entire property. So here's the third and final bedroom of the property. Again, great sized bedroom, plenty of space for a double bed. There's also the added benefit of built-in wardrobes in this room as well.